Welcome to the top best. The best food grade epoxy is probably one of the most important materials for anyone working with food-related projects. It's designed to be non-toxic and safe for contact with food, ensuring that your creations are both beautiful and safe to use. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, choosing the right food grade epoxy is essential for protecting your health and the integrity of your work. Number 5. Art & Glow Epoxy Resin 16-ounce Kit. This epoxy resin kit is perfect for achieving crystal clear results. It's designed to work with various pigments and inclusions. The easy mix ratio makes it suitable for both beginners and professionals. This resin undergoes stringent quality control to ensure consistent performance. It includes UV stabilizers and bubble release technology. This helps prevent yellowing and ensures a bubble-free finish. The resin hardens to a durable finish and is food safe. It's self-leveling, low odor, and VOC-free. This makes it ideal for various projects, from tabletops to serving trays. This resin excels in both casting and coating applications. You can create fluid pours, seal paintings, and coat surfaces. It's also great for making jewelry, coasters, and other crafts. The product is from a US small business with nearly 10 years of experience. The team provides knowledgeable support to help you succeed. They have sold over 100,000 resin kits. What we like. This epoxy is designed to be bubble-free, ensuring your projects come out crystal clear. It also boasts non-yellowing properties, so your creations will stay vibrant over time. If you are looking for a reliable resin for tumblers, jewelry, or crafts, you should consider this one. What people say. Long work time 40 minutes after it's mixed, it's still pourable and bubbles are almost non-existent. Takes mica, alcohol ink, pigment and acrylic paints great and mixes easily. The material is, indeed, very clear after the pour, and after 24 hours. Bubbles were not a problem and could be popped soon after the pour. Number 4. Craft Resin 1 Gallon Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Unleash your creativity with this premium clear epoxy resin. It provides a glass-like finish without yellowing over time. Perfect for various DIY projects like art, tabletops, and jewelry making. Say goodbye to bubbles and uneven finishes. This advanced formula releases air bubbles automatically, especially when worn. It's designed for a flawless, crystal clear result. This epoxy resin is food grade, non-toxic, and free of VOCs. It's safe for both home and professional use. You can use it with confidence knowing it's harmless to you and the environment. It cures in just 24 hours, becoming rock hard and scratch resistant. The product is also heat resistant up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll get a crystal clear, smooth finish that lasts. This two-part kit is simple to use, even for beginners. The kit includes resin, hardener, mixing sticks, gloves, and a manual. Upgrade your art and elevate your projects with this easy-to-use kit. What we like. This resin is not only food safe but also UV resistant, protecting your projects from yellowing. It also cures quickly, allowing you to finish your projects faster. If you like to create art, wood, or jewelry, you should consider this one. What people say. Works great for all my resin work. So easy to mix with a 1-to-1 ratio. Virtually no bubbles and pretty good at self-leveling. Mixes quickly. Good viscosity for tiny pours. Crystal clear, and though it says 24-hour cure time, my piece is set much quicker. Easy to use and mixes well. Low odor. Number 3. Superclear Tabletop Epoxy Resin 1 Gallon Kit. This epoxy resin is independently tested and certified, ensuring it's completely safe for food contact once cured. You can confidently use it for projects that may come into contact with food. Get an unparalleled ultra-gloss finish. It provides a stunning, mirror-like surface that enhances the aesthetic appeal of any project. This will make your project stand out. Engineered for longevity, this epoxy resin boasts the highest level of UV resistance. It protects your projects from yellowing, ensuring they retain their clarity and brilliance over time. Compatible with a variety of coloring agents. It offers endless possibilities for creative and personalized finishes. You can easily customize it to match your vision. This tabletop epoxy is formulated to withstand daily wear and tear. It offers exceptional impact resistance, ensuring your projects remain intact and beautiful under rigorous use. Designed as the ultimate bar top epoxy, it features self-leveling properties, high scratch resistance, and a water and chemical resistant formula, ensuring a long-lasting, super gloss finish. Crafted with excellence in St. Petersburg, Florida by Fiberglass Coatings Incorporated. The company has over 60 years of experience, guaranteeing top-quality, American-made products. What we like. This epoxy offers the highest UV impact resistance, ensuring your projects remain clear and beautiful. It's also food-grade safe, making it perfect for various applications. If you are looking for a bar top or surface coat, you should consider this one. What people say. Worked and cured well. Watch a few project videos first, and you'll be pouring resin like a pro in no time. Took the dyes flawlessly. I had light gray base with blue and moss green details for walls, snow white for the ceiling. It was a multicolor, multi-layer, multi-piece custom bath enclosure. Sorry for the blurry image. Project came out looking great. The edges sealed perfectly with silicone. Custom fit shower enclosure is 100% waterproof. It mixes well and is crystal clear. I use it to put down layers onto tabletops and to cast resin pens. The tabletops pour out nice and I spread it out with a foam paint brush. I only have to get the thickness close as the resin then self-levels. Number 2. Nicpro 8-ounce Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. This crystal clear epoxy resin provides a durable, high-gloss finish. It protects your creations from heat, scratches, and yellowing, ensuring they last longer. This food-safe resin is formulated with non-toxic, low-odor materials and is free of VOCs. It meets food-grade standards, making it a safe choice for various projects. Beginners should conduct small tests before use. The self-leveling resin mixes in a 1-to-1 ratio, making it easy to operate, even for beginners. For best results, preheat the resin and hardener in cold weather, and warm your working surfaces. This clear epoxy resin is perfect for all your casting and coating needs. It works well with different pigments and can be used on canvas, tile, wood, and more. It's suitable for coasters, countertops, crafts, and jewelry making. Contact us with any questions. We are committed to your satisfaction, and our customer service team will address your concerns within 24 hours. Choose this product to create stunning resin artwork. What we like. This kit provides high-quality resin that is easy to use, even for beginners. It's also versatile, suitable for various casting and coating applications. If you are a beginner looking for an easy-to-use resin for art and crafts, you should consider this one. What people say. The finish came out glassy and smooth with no bubbles, and the self-leveling formula made it super easy to work with, even on larger pours. I used it for both jewelry molds and a tabletop project, and it cured rock hard with a beautiful shine. It self-levels and is easy to mix and pour. A little goes a long way, which surprised me. I use these with miniatures, so I don't necessarily want large bottles, so the 4-ounce size, X2, is perfect for my projects. It stays stuck to the plastic I attach it to, and hardens clear and without bubbles. Number 1. Liquid Glass 3 gallons Deep Pour Epoxy Resin. Introducing our Liquid Glass Deep Pour Epoxy. This allows for pours up to 2 to 4 inches, perfect for creating river tables and large projects. This feature provides unmatched depth and clarity. This epoxy is built to last. Its rock-hard curing process ensures that your creations will withstand years of use. You can count on it for exceptional structural integrity. Say goodbye to imperfections. The low viscosity of this liquid glass epoxy allows bubbles to escape easily. This ensures a flawless, crystal clear finish every time. Proudly made in the USA by Fiberglass Coatings Incorporated in St. Petersburg, Florida. With over 60 years of experience, we guarantee quality and innovation in every batch. Designed for both beginners and professionals, this epoxy resin is user-friendly and adaptable. From river tables to mold castings, its ease of use and clarity are unparalleled. Safety is our priority. This epoxy resin is low odor and VOC-free, making it a safer choice for you and the environment. It's safe for various applications. Our Superclear 2.0 liquid glass deep pore epoxy resin is engineered with top-tier UV resistance to prevent yellowing. It can withstand heat exposure up to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. What we like. This epoxy allows for deep pores, perfect for river tables and large projects. It also features bubbleless technology for a flawless finish. If you are looking for a deep pore epoxy for large-scale projects, you should consider this one. What people say. Has the UV protection, safe around food and just like it says, poured crystal clear. Super functional and easy to mix. Hardened and adhered perfectly, no bubbles at all. Dried faster than expected and was the perfect pour for the clear effect I wanted, allowing the wood's color to stay perfect. Easy to use, easy to mix and easy to mitigate the bubbles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.